So this is the Batyue Ipad Case. I bought this because my 3-year-old has started playing with the iPad and I could see where that was headed. It's sturdy, durable, and functional. It does come in several sizes, but it was easy to find the one I needed. It's got this swivel handle on the back that can be used to prop the iPad up vertically or horizontally. It can be used as a handle, or you can use it to hang the iPad from a hook. It comes with a carrying strap. I honestly haven't used this yet. It's got instructions and this little installation pin, which I didn't actually need to install it, but I found it useful for removing the case. It's pretty simple to install. You take off the front cover, then peel back the rubber around the outside. Make sure you line the camera up to the camera hole, and then slide the iPad into the rubber case. Finally, snap the faceplate on. You can open the rubber ports to access the charging port and the headphones. The buttons all have these rubberized button coverings, which work really well. It provides really good drop protection from the sides, the back, and from a head-on fall. It does not have any screen protection, so if the glass took a direct hit, it could still crack. The case comes in lots of colors for kids, but I wanted black because I could see myself using it a lot. I've been very happy with it. I've propped it up beside my computer at work to watch the stock market or to use it for FaceTime. It has made the iPad a lot more useful for me. And of course, it protects it from damage. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a solid and versatile case, especially one for kids.